how are you today? I'm Sally and welcome again to Pandan Diary. Christmas is just around the corner, so this time I met another Santa cake topper, which is Santa in the chimney carrying his gift bag. Let's get started. First, prepare polystyrene or dummy cake 6 cm high, then cut it into square with side lengths of 8 cm. And next, I'm going to wrap the polystyrene sides and bottom in brown fondant. But before that, brush a little water over the polystyrene so that the fondant can stick. Then I'm going to print brick shapes all over the walls of this chimney. And next, I'm going to cover the top of the chimney with black fondant. And then I'm going to create a short wall with gray fondant for the top of the chimney to make it look like there's a hole in the chimney. And then I'm going to dry this chimney upside down so that the chimney surface becomes even and straight. But before that, fix the shape of the chimney so that it is perfect before drying it. And next, after making the chimney, I'm going to make a Santa Claus gift sack with candy canes and a little Christmas tree inside. And lastly, I will make the Santa Claus in the chimney. So here is the Christmas cake topper Santa Claus in the Chimney. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the Santa cake topper, and don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!